breaking news, and you got to know about this. It has to do with checking the wrong box on Checkbox appeals. So here's a graphic that Amazon has started sending some sellers who are having issues with their listings. We haven't seen it for account suspensions yet, but it's probably coming down the pipeline. What you need to make sure is that you never check a box where you are admitting to have done something wrong, where you're admitting to have screwed something up that you didn't do. If you do that, you are putting yourself at Amazon's mercy. Amazon can shut you down, never allow you to sell again because you violated the business solutions agreement, which most sellers refer to as the terms of service. Number two, you will destroy any chance you have of forcing Amazon to release your inventory, forcing Amazon to release your money if you have to take Amazon to arbitration. So if you are one of the few sellers that receive one of these checkbox appeals, you need to treat that as carefully as you would a full-blown plan of action. And I got to tell you, we recommend going with the plan of action rather than the checkbox because you have a lot more control, a lot more freedom to satisfy Amazon with the information that it needs to reinstate your account or your listing, and also minimize the risk of being shut down. You want to reach me to discuss this more? Contact me in any one of the 4 ways on your screen. I try and make myself available to you 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Welcome to the greatest YouTube channel for Amazon sellers. I'm CJ Rosenbaum, and on this channel, we have more content available to you than on any other channel on YouTube, where you learn about plans of action, account deactivations, listing deactivations, IP complaints, used sold as new. Every issue that Amazon sellers face, you can find the answer right here on our YouTube channel.